Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So today's video is going to feature some top bob haircut ideas. So if you are on the hunt for the perfect bob haircuts, this video is for you. So first up, we see someone who does have shoulder length hair. She's getting the hair cut and styled. Oh, I love these highlights that the stylist placed within her strands. They're kind of like a reddish brown tone. They really just complement her red undertones and make her complexion pop. And the waves just really add some nice height, volume, and dimension to the tones. So next up, we see someone who does have longer hair. The stylist is cutting the hair into a shoulder length bob. And if you guys follow this channel on the regular, you know that this is one of my favorite stylists to follow. She does amazing bob haircuts. So here is her client, freshly styled. You can really see the dimension in the hair with those highlights. Love the waves that she added. Wow, so beautiful. And then next up, if you are older and you're looking for some bob inspiration, loving this very silver bob. So the stylist also added a lot of volume and texture within the strands by doing the bob on an angle. You did beautiful curls within this bob cut as well. And I love how fresh and beautiful the color looks. So moving right along, so she does have some super long curly hair, and the stylist is going to be cutting this into a bob. So I do try to feature curly strands quite often because a lot of people do wonder if you can rock the shorter styles with the curly hair, and you absolutely can. This is a beautiful bob. She has so much volume within the way that the stylist cut the hair. Beautiful off-center part. Her curls look amazing. So then we see this beautiful woman. She does have long waist length hair. The stylist has the clippers and he is cutting the hair once again into a bob. Looks like he's using the razor to kind of create some texture here. The razor cut is a great way to kind of add some dimension to the hair, some texture. Really brings out the choppy layers within the cut. And the bangs are left long with this one, so she does have a nice angled face framing bob. Gorgeous. Love the way the stylist styled the hair with this one. This to me almost looks like a pixie haircut because it is very short. So then we do see someone with shoulder length hair, and she's also got the classic bob going with this one. Waves were added for texture and dimension as well. Beautiful. And as you guys know, the center part is very popular this season. Hers did have a nice center part going there as well, but she can part the hair any way she wants to. So there the stylist is showing the hair with the off-center part. So then we see someone else who has long curly hair. So she is also doing a big chop with this one. The stylist also has curly hair, so she knows how to fluff up that hair and get it to look a great way. Oh, wow. The curls look amazing. She definitely added more definition because the hair at first looks very wavy, and with the styling that the stylist did, she made the hair appear a little bit more curly. So this is just another great option if you do have natural curly wavy hair and you want to know if you can shorten the hair into a haircut. This would be another great option to try. So then we see another classic bob. This one does feature an off-center part as well. And then we see an angled bob, beautiful face framing bangs with that one. And then we see another bob, loving the maroon color, burgundy shade. As you guys know, that is very popular hair trend right now. And then we see this beautiful angled bob with the money piece blonde highlights in the front. So if you guys haven't already done so, don't forget to like today's video. It really helps my channel out. And if you want to stay up to date on all the hottest and latest hair trends, be sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video.